kedua.
Good evening, everybody that here today. This contemporary dress is inspired by the Moro tribe. The motif inspired by the Moro tribe were made into a batik. So this navy blue color and the batik combined into one piece of cloth with two pieces of cloth with pants and a shirt, make it casual wear that's suitable for you to wear in the office or either you want to go everywhere with your friends. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Peserta kedua. Baik, terus.